Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today I know it's time to get back on the Monday grind. We got some watch faces for you all to check out that's free for the taking. At least 2 of them are all day long. And then I got one that's a free trial. I thought it was worthy of a download, so let's check this watch face out, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called KT Neo Canton. It's a nice Swiss Army watch face look. Very nice. Now, the color is a little bit richer than what you're going to see now, so the video isn't going to do it justice. In the always on mode, this watch face looks super boss. You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the AOD on this one. Now, once the watch face is on, what you're going to get at the top, you're going to get your month. You come down, you got a couple of dials. You're going to get one for your battery. That's going to be to the left, and then the one to the right is going to give you your step info. And then you come down, you get your date. And I like to see the day there. That looks really, really nice. So the layout and the setup of this watch face is really, really awesome, right? But check this out. I like the glow in the dark hands too. That looks awesome too as well. But if I double tap, I can change the color of the watch face to suit me for whatever color I like, or whatever color I want to coordinate with that I'm wearing for the day. I thought this one was super, super boss. What do you think? I thought it was worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. The price, I'm thinking it's worth it. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number two. Now, number 2 is nice. Basic, simple, digital, right? Now, this watch face has a long name, so we're just going to call it multicolor. We will leave the full description of the watch face down below in the description box, so check it out, right? Now, this watch face here, I like it because it is simple, it is digital, it's an everyday dress down watch face, and always on mode, you're going to get the same look. It's just not going to have any color. It's going to be in the dim mode, right? Black and white dim mode, not bad at all. But once the watch face is on, here's what I like that I thought was very nice. If you look to your right, you're going to see a second hand going around the bezel of the watch is white. I don't know, it adds a nice touch of character to the watch face to me. Now, up at the top, what you're going to get your step status info. You're also going to get miles walked or ran. You come down, you're going to get your heart rate and calories burned. So it gives you everything that you need out of a watch face, which isn't bad. Also, you get your battery percentage right there. Now, it is inactive, so if I single tap, I can't go into my heart rate and, of course, my step information, you know, calories burned, things like that. But for a free watch face, this is not bad at all, right? And on top of that, I can customize the color as well. Double tap, and I can change the color. You have a few and all to change to. We're going to cycle through all of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. And that's it. All right, you all, of course, you know what I like to hear. What do you think about this watch face, considering that it's simple? And last but not least, watch face number 3. Now, number 3 is nice. I'm liking this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called ITZ Black Circle version 1. Now, this is nice. I like what the developer brought to the table with this very nice looking watch face. It's simple, but yet nice. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. Just going to be in the black mode, which isn't bad at all. You still get to see your time at a glance. But once the watch face is on, I'm liking the look of this one, right? Of course, this is going to be a battery-saving watch face as well. Now, if you look at it, you're going to get a few dials in all. If you look at the top, you're going to get your time in 24 hours in digital, so you get the best of both worlds. You go to the right, you're going to get your date, and you come down all the way to the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage. So I thought this was a nice look. But on top of this free watch face, right, it does offer you interactiveness to it. And if I tap on each dial, I can go into certain applications and tweak my watch face to the way I like. Now, what I like about it is that, yes, the weather, you get the weather with this one. And if I tap right here secretly, it'll bring up your step status info for those of you all who need to keep up with that info. So I thought it was pretty nice. I like what the developer brought to the table with a simple watch face that is free. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you want to see more just like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.